This is a piano tutorial for the classic tune, Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee. Now you can tell everybody you played something by Beethoven. And this is really a pretty simple song, even for a beginner. So I'll show you the fingering, which is very simple, really not a lot of moving around here. Third finger starts on a B note. Then it repeats the same. And then use the second finger there. And that's the only time when you had to do anything unusual is move your thumb down to that D note. So it's 1, 2, 1. And then it does the same thing again. Very simple for the fingering. You start on a G chord, and you're going to do D, G, B like that. There's a D chord, so this is G. By the way, I'm simplifying the chords on this one. If you're using my lead sheet for this online that I referred you to, it has more chords than this, but I'm simplifying them for you. So some of them are different. You start on a G chord, D, G, B. Then it's a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. A G chord again, D, G, B. Back to the D chord, D, F sharp, and A. G again. Then you got a C chord, C, E, G. Back to G again, D, G, B. Back and forth between G and D like this for the next part of the song. So it's D, D, F sharp, and A, G, D, G, B, D, G, D, B. So this is a B chord. It's D sharp, F sharp, and B like that. E minor, E, G, B. A7, E, G, A, F sharp, down to a D chord again, D, F sharp, and A, D chord again, C, G, G, G. So very, very simple there. So work on it hands alone, and when you put it together, it sounds like this.